Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick tool haul from Home Depot. I picked up the Ryobi Defender, the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus Defender, which is the fogger and mister. Also picked up a Milwaukee Hat. Found a free drill bit, concrete bit, and I picked up some pressure washer accessories. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? Hope everybody's having an awesome day. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. Alright, so these are the items that I picked up. So I picked up the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus 18V lithium Defender cordless chemical fogger and mister, used with insecticide, fungicide, herbicide. I'm sure you could use it with fertilizer as well. Covers up to 10,000 square feet per charge. I do know that this, according to the information, will do 1,000 square feet a minute. It is a half a gallon, and it does come with a 2 amp hour battery, which, you know, 75 bucks as the kit. Looking on the Home Depot app, this tool without the battery is $89. So it looks like they're doing a deal for the kit for $75 instead of the 115 with tax, 120 with tax, something like that, for 75 bucks. Sprays up to 15 feet, lightweight and portable design. I picked up a Milwaukee Hat for 19 bucks. I might go back and pick up a black one too, since they're really hard to find. I mean, these hats have been out for a very long time now, but they're not easy to find, and which is interesting because I'm a small to medium. My head changes size depending on what hat I'm wearing. I usually wear a 7 1/8 hat, 7 inch and 1/8 of an inch. But all of my 7 1/8 of an inch hats fit me differently. This one fits me looser than my New York style hat, and that's probably because I wear the New York style hat a lot. This one fits better wearing it backwards, where the New York one fits better where I'm wearing it forwards. Just depends on, I guess, on the day. Over time, if you wear tight hats for a very long period of time, it will make your head partially shrink to that size hat. Then when you go try to wear a 7 1/8 that you've had for 10 plus years, you put that on and it's too loose. But I'm a small for these. They're nice. I do like these flex fit hats. Very comfortable forward. Same style hat as the Capri hat that I have. It's a flex fit style hat. I like the gray. I really like the gray. So I picked that up for 19 bucks. I'm thinking of going back to Home Depot and grabbing one of the black ones before they're sold out. I also grabbed a bunch of pressure washer adapters. So this is a 3/8 quick connect kit. So it's got the male and the female. SKU is 719841. Looks, I think I got 2 of these. Yep, I got 2 of those exactly. There's 2 of them. Move the light over a little better. There you go. So I grabbed 2 of them. And then I grabbed 2 of this style, which is hose to trigger. These are SKU 719940. I got 2 of these. I picked up 2 of these right here, which are 3/8 quick couplers. These are 719907, male QC to male M22. These are, those don't have any specifics. Okay, so these right here, 3/8 male QC to 3/8 FNPT, 3/8 FQC to 3/8 FNPT. And then I picked up this little reducer kit, 3/8 FNPT to 1/4 inch MNPT, and 3/8 MNPT to 3/8 MNPT. So, you know, I've got a lot of these different style couplers. And then I picked up one of these because that's all they had of this one, which is a 3/8 FQC to M for male, M22. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ball bearings in this guy. How many are in this one? I'd have to cut it off to find out. All these are rated to 4,500 PSI. I picked up a little assortment pack of gaskets and filters. And then I did find this, what looks like unused, untouched 3/16 SDS Plus concrete bit in the parking lot. I don't even know. It doesn't even look like it was dropped off of a vehicle or dropped out of a bag or anything. It was just sitting on the ground like somebody went to tie their shoes. Maybe they brought this in because they wanted to get 1 or 2 more, and they haven't used it yet or something, and may have set it down to tie their shoes or something, because there's no marks on this like it was dropped or anything. Nice bit. And I did take it in the store. It says made in Germany. I did take it in the store and see if it was like Milwaukee, but it's not. The Milwaukee doesn't have this hex head on it at all. So I don't know who makes this. This might be a Bosch, because Bosches are also made in Germany also. The Milwaukee SDS Plus and Max bits are actually made in Germany. I don't know if you guys knew that. But, so, I'm not going to talk much about the couplers. You guys know about couplers. And the hat. I'm not going to, do an unboxing or cut the little zip ties off of them or anything. We're just going to move them to the side. So, some of the information on this: 3-year warranty, 90-day, I think, money-back guarantee for this guy. So, the information is on the top. Says cover up to 10,000 square feet per charge, lightweight and portable design, sprays up to 15 feet distance, instant hassle-free starting, portable battery-powered pest control, half-gallon chemical tank for fungicide, herbicide, insecticide, fertilizer, and pesticide. I'm sure you could use pesticide in it. If you're going to use herbicide or insecticide, I'm sure you can use pesticide as well. Pesticide, it says for pest control. So, includes 18-volt multi-purpose fogger, 18-volt 2-amp lithium-ion battery, 18-volt compact charger, and operator's manual. You can use any Ryobi battery you choose on this unit. It is 0.5 gallons, which is a half a gallon, up to 1,000 square feet per minute, 7.19 pounds. That's about it. We will definitely do an unboxing and demonstration in a separate video. This unit is US number, or at least this one has a number. The actual power cleaner doesn't have a number. This one is 1003-896-904. There you go, 1003-896-904. That's going to conclude this video, guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. We'll do an unboxing video and everything separately. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I want to say thank you to all of you guys who contributed to making the channel monetized. It is now making money. I am going to put every dime of the money that the channel makes back into the channel for tools you know, testing. We're going to start buying wood with the money from the channel. Start doing head-to-heads and everything else between Ryobi, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Metabo, Bosch, Metabo HPT, Makita, Earthquake XT, as well as a few other brands. So all of their voltage types, including corded as well, and even pneumatic. So if any of those things interest you guys, smush the bell notification icon. Hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Have a happy 4th of July weekend and or week or day. It is July 3rd. And you guys be safe, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!